Hello guys, I'm firstly gonna upload a video to show you how to install the system. Let's say this is your first time using the PC or whatever it is. You see those two files that I've sent you, which are this one, these two. You copy them. You firstly move them from your email to your desktop. Then you copy those files. After copying those files, you go to your JP Markets platform. You go to your files section, which is this one. You go to open data folder. After clicking the open data folder, it will open. You go to MQL4. You go to indicator. You paste the files in here. Me, I already have the files. You paste those two files in here. Here they are, these two ones, the pattern and the support. You paste them in here. After you paste those files, you click exit. You click exit again, exit. Then you go to JP Markets again. You open the JP Markets again. You go for insert. You say indicator. After clicking indicator, you go to custom because it is the files that didn't come with the platform. You click the first file. You just go to common. You allow. You click OK. You see the first file is here already. You click another one, insert, indicator, custom. You click the other one. They only two. You go to common, you allow. Then the system is successfully installed. As you can see, the system is successfully installed. This is how to install the system to your PC. I'm gonna upload the next video showing you how to guys to use the system. This video was to show you how to install those who can install. This is the video showing how to install the system. Even those who are gonna buy the system in the future, you'll just look at this video and you will know how to install the system. Hello guys, this video will show you, I'll be showing you guys how to use the system. Guys. As you can see guys, we have the red zone and the green zone. We have bullish and stuff. This is what's gonna happen. We're gonna trade on 1 hour time frame. Let's see the market is at the green part here. When the market is here, it means you'll be looking for buy signals only. So when the market gives you a sell signal, you don't enter. You only enter when it gives you a buy signal. For example, let's say it's here. You go for buy. Even though it tests and come back, you don't enter the sell. You go for buy. Up until it reaches that level. As you can see now where it is. When it reaches that part, that's when you can consider going for sell signals up until this level. That's how the system works. You check the levels where it is now. If it's at the red level, you go for sell signals up until it reaches the green level, which is the 0%. Here it is. Then if it comes back and goes to the green level, you go back for buy signals. But mostly for Nasdaq, consider going for buy signals. If it's at the red level, just wait for it to go to the green level and go back and go for buy signals and you ignore the sells. That's how to win with Nasdaq, because mostly people, they wanna trade Nasdaq. The system is powerful guys. It gives you the signal. Let's say it said bullish piercing. You wait for the candle to close, you enter on the next candle, then you hold. If it gives you another signal, you can add a position just like that. After it closes, you add a position just like that. That's the only way I'm winning with Nasdaq. I don't do currencies, so I'm gonna just explain with the Nasdaq game guys. So but with the currency it works the same way, same pattern, same same thing. It's just that Nasdaq, it's mostly buying. So I consider you guys, if you wanna trade Nasdaq, just go for buy signals and all that. I hope this video helps you guys to understand the system better. Those who have the system but currently don't understand, just watch this video, then you'll know how to use the system. And those who will be buying the system in the future, they'll also be using those video to use the system. We only use 2 files. There's no more than these files. If someone sells you something and says, oh, this is Bailey system, that's completely fake. The system is only bought from me. We only use 2 files, guys, not more than that. And when you buy the system, before I send it to you, I register your email address and stuff. So if someone sells you the system and you start losing with it, don't blame me. Don't say Bailey system. You bought it from someone. He didn't register you. He didn't register your email. So once you buy the system from me, I register you before I send it to you same time. That's why I sometimes take long for the system, because I need to go to the registration process and stuff. So peace, guys. You'll be using the system, this video, for explanations and stuff. The purpose of this video is that I'm trying to minimize the chats on my WhatsApp, because I think I have plus 2,000